Hello, my name is Dr. Olu Faniyan. I'm a pediatrician with Blessing Physician Services. I'm here to answer the internet's most common questions regarding vaccines. Do vaccines work? Well, the answer is yes. Many of the conditions that were common decades ago are now much less common due to vaccines. And in fact, the reason why they're forgotten is because of the effect of vaccines. Do vaccines cause diarrhea? Well, they generally don't. The rotavirus vaccine can cause mild diarrhea as a side effect. However, if your child does experience diarrhea after having a rotavirus vaccine, you can call us and we'll address your concerns. Do vaccines have mercury in them? Well, they generally don't, and the few that do have only negligible amounts of them. Do vaccines make babies sick? Different babies react differently when they receive vaccinations, but in general, the side effects that tend to occur tend to be mild, and they might include pain or discomfort, and some might have a fever, but in general, the side effects tend to be mild and not so common. Do vaccines wear off? Yes, they do wear off, but that's why booster vaccinations are given. When a child receives a booster dose, then it tends to increase the level of immunity against the condition that is being vaccinated against. Do vaccines cause ADHD? The answer is no. There's been a lot of misinformation out there regarding this subject, but there's no conclusive scientific evidence that vaccines cause ADHD. Do vaccines cause SIDS? No, vaccines do not cause SIDS. What can cause SIDS, or what has been associated with SIDS, is improper sleeping techniques for babies, and so we do recommend that babies sleep on their back in their crib and with no loose soft items inside the crib. Do vaccines cause fevers? Fevers can be a side effect of some vaccines, but the fevers tend to go away very quickly. If after receiving a vaccine, your child has a fever for a prolonged duration, you should please give us a call and we'll address the concerns you may have regarding that. Do vaccines cause allergies? An allergic reaction to a vaccination is very rare. If you do notice that your child has unexplained difficulty breathing or rashes or any other side effect that you believe is due to the vaccine, you should please let us know and we'll address your concerns. Close to 100 years ago, the life expectancy in the United States was less than 50 years. Today, thanks to the advances in modern medicine, life expectancy is closer to 80 years. And part of this change, this dramatic change, is due to the overall effect of healthcare, including vaccinations. Vaccinations are important because they reduce the likelihood of infections that were associated with increased childhood mortality. And so it's important to have these vaccines consistently. And I understand that there are lots of concerns that parents have regarding vaccines, but they are generally safe. And if you still have questions or concerns regarding those, you should feel free to discuss with us at your next visit and we'll be happy to answer your concerns.